to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Kiera and this is my channel, Hey Key. If you are a current subscriber, hey you guys, thank you for clicking on another video of mine. Like, thank you, thank you, thank you. I really do appreciate it. If this is your first time here and you've never seen my face before, hi, welcome. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you do not forget to subscribe and comment and share this video with all your friends. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that. So, as you can see in the title of this video, I finally got my Telfar bags. Like, if you've been living under a rock and you don't know what Telfar is, so Telfar is this black-owned, like, vegan leather, like, luxury fashion brand. Like, they have like the shopping bags, that's what they're known for, like the big shopping bags. They have like shirts, they have belts, I think they have like some accessories too. So yeah, but they're really known for their shopping bags. They're so hard to get. Like, they'll announce like a drop like the week of, and then you have to wake up at like 9 in the morning, 8 in the morning, whatever, and like their bags literally sells out in like seconds. Like, excuse me. Like, I kid you not, like, the bags literally sell out in seconds. Like, the bag will be posted at 9 a.m., around 9:02, everything is sold out. So, I got to the point where I'm like, you know what? If it's for me, it's for me, because I'm done waking up wasting my time. Like, I could never get a Telfar bag when they would drop. I could never catch it. I don't know how. I don't know what people are doing. If you know how to get a Telfar bag when they actually drop, let me know in the comments below, please. So, how I got my bags, I did the membership program, what is it called? The security bag program. That's what I did.
See what you just got in the mail, a Telfeezy, bitch, a Telfeezy, easy but breezy. I do these dirty bum bitches real greasy. I do these dirty bum bitches real greasy. I do these dirty bum bitches real greasy.
So they do it like twice a year. They did it, I remember last year they did it like in the winter time, and then they did it this year like right before like the summer hit. So they have all of the bags, and you basically like pre-order the bags, and then they said the bags will start shipping July 15th through September 15th. That's when they would ship. So it's like, we bought these bags like in the spring, we paid for them up front, and then we just literally had to wait. So my bags came in maybe like a week ago. Literally, yeah, a week ago, and I'm doing this video now. This is the box. So I got 2 bags. I think I got the medium cream, and then I got like a small white. So that's what I believe I got. It's been a while. I need to find some scissors. Okay, I got some scissors. These like these are like literally the only scissors I can find. These are like these are hair shears, but whatever. So let's open this box. Here it is. This is the box. Look at it. Okay. Okay, so here are the box. Here are the bags, actually. So this is the medium, and this is the small. Look at that. So let's open the small bag first. So they all come like with the white duster, as you can see, with a nice little drawstring. So this is good to like to preserve your bag and the quality, so it won't get like dirty and dusty. You can always keep these little bags. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. Look at this. And it has like the Telfar tag right here. So this is the small white shopping bag, and this was this retails for $150. So this is what it looks like, and it has like the small little straps right here, and then it has like the straps that you can like wrap around your shoulder. So I do wish that these straps were detachable, but they are not. But if you want to like change the look, you can literally just stuff them in the bag. Like for these long straps, you can just stuff it right on in. stuff it right on in, and then it snaps, and then you can just carry it like so. Look at this bag. This is so cute. Look at that. I had to adjust the lighting so you can really see the bag, but this is perfect. This is so freaking pretty. I love it. And it's vegan leather, so it's cruelty free, black owned luxury at an affordable price. Beyonce was spotted wearing these bags, and Telfar said that they are not going up on the prices. So if you can get you one of these bags, go ahead and get it. I do recommend. It's very simple, very plain, but it's like, it's luxury. Like, you don't need too much because you can dress these up, you can dress them down. I really like the little straps. This is so cute. But I will wear it like this way as well. And then the inside, the only thing I don't like is that it's not like a zipper, it's just like that snap. But the inside, it just has the little Telfar logo right here. And then it looks like it's like a little pocket in here. You do what you want and what you can put in here, but it's like a little pocket in like the Telfar logo. If you've seen the Telfar on Wendy Williams, he said what it's for. I'm not gonna say it on YouTube, but he did say what this little pocket is for. If you know, you know. So yeah, 10 out of 10. I strongly recommend this bag. No crazy smell, cruelty free. I just love it. Like, it's very plain, but it's designer, it's luxury, it's black excellence. Like, this is all you need. It's not like, I don't like stuff that has like too many prints and too many logos and stuff. I don't like all that. Like, there's a time and a place, but like for a cute little everyday bag on the go, you don't need all that. All you need is this. And like, when you see this, you see that I got luxury. Like, who gonna come for me? Nobody. Period. Point blank. Okay. So let's go on to the next bag. This is a medium, and I don't know why I feel like this is going to be like really, really large. Let me adjust the lighting really quick. There we go. Yeah, I feel like this is going to be like a large bag, but let's see. Ooh. Oh, wow. So this one is the tan, and this is in the size medium. This one would be perfect for like a carry, not even like a carry-on, but like a bag at like the airport. You can put like your laptop or your iPad and like some things in here. This would be a perfect bag to carry to work. Even though I'm still working from home, like this would be a nice bag to carry to work. I really do like this. I can put like my work laptop in here. I can put like my journal, my wallet. I wouldn't want to like fill this bag up too much. I just want to make it like nice and sleek. But yeah, this bag is really, really cute. I like the smaller one more. I don't know why. I like the white more than I like this one. But I feel like I would wear this way more, like if I was going into the office for work. I do like this bag. Again, this, oh, it's cream. I don't know why I said tan. So this is the medium cream shopping bag from Telfar right here. Again, it just has like the snap. There's no zipper. I don't like that. I wish it did have a zipper. And then, okay. So for the larger bag, it does have like the same little logo, like that little pocket secret stash right here. And then it does have like a little inside zipper that you can put like your, I don't know, like an extra wallet or like your, you know, ID, money, lip gloss, whatever. You can just put it in this little zipper. So they do have a zipper. Okay. This is cute and has like the Telfar tag on the inside. It's really simple on the inside, but that's what it looks like. I just wanted to show you guys. That's what it looks like. So yeah, this was about, I think this was like $202. I'll put the price in the description box below for both bags. I can't remember how much this one was. I want to say $202. But yeah, I'll put the price in the description box just to be sure. But yeah, this bag is really, really cute. I really do like this cream. Like, I really see myself like carrying this at like the airport. You know, with like my iPad, my phone, maybe some travel essentials, things like that. Whenever I go on like my next trip, I'll probably pack this, and I'll do like a pack with me or something, or pack my bags with me, something like that, so you guys can see what I'll put in this bag. But I really do think that this is a nice look as like a first impression. I really do like this bag. Like, I see myself carrying this at the airport a lot and carrying this to work a lot. And it's really big. This is a medium. This is a nice size bag. Like, I'm thoroughly impressed. No weird smell. Yeah, it's just vegan leather, so cruelty free. And yeah, I can't wait to get more bags. I want to get like a fuchsia, like hot pink bag, and like a green bag, a brown bag, and a black bag. That's all I want. But yeah, so these are really cute. So that's what I got from the security bag program. I got this white bag and I got the cream bag, and I am thoroughly impressed. Money well spent. If you have a Telfar bag, let me know which colors you have and the sizes in the comments below. But yeah, that is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please let me know. If you made it this far, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and go ahead and watch some of my other videos if you made it this far.